Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. First, we'll need to go to business.facebook.com, and when we're here, we're going to go down to All Tools, select Ads Manager. It's under recently used for me. However, if you're looking for it, you can come over to Advertise and select Ads Manager. When you click on Ads Manager, it's going to open to this page, and then you're going to go over to All Tools. And then under All Tools, we're going to go over to Business Settings. We also have it here under Shortcuts, and we're going to select Business Settings, and this will open another page. Now in this page, we're going to scroll down to Data Sources. Data Sources is a drop down, so we're going to click on it. And then under Data Sources, we're going to see Pixels. When you go over to Pixel, you're going to select Datasets as a new way to sort this out. So we have Datasets selected, and now we're going to click on Add, and then we'll give it a name. And after having this, we can click on Create. And now you can see we have sample data FB, so we're going to click on it. And now while we have sample data FB selected, we're going to go over to the top right in this box where we have the three dots. Clicking on it, we're going to have Open in Events Manager. We're going to click on it. And on this page, we're going to select Setup Conversions API. And here we have the first option, Setup with Partner Integration. We're going to go ahead with this because we want to connect it with Shopify. Then we're going to click on Next. Here you have other options, but of course, we want to go with Shopify. And now, before we do anything more, we're going to go over to Shopify. Now here on Shopify, we're going to search for Facebook. We have the Facebook and Instagram. We're going to click on it. And what you need to do now is to install this. We're just going to verify this by clicking Install again. And as you can see, now we have Facebook and Instagram. Of course, we're dealing with Facebook, but they work together. Next, we can click on Get Started. So now we can click on Connect Account. And as you can see, we have to confirm our Facebook account and click Confirm Account. We're going to allow this. And now we have the business portfolio. So now we're going to click on Connect. And now we're going to select the dataset to track customer behavior. Remember we earlier set up sample data FB. We're going to connect, and then we're going to agree to the terms and conditions. And then lastly on this, we're going to submit for review. And now as you can see, we've just connected our Facebook Pixel to Shopify.